rectangular hyperbola. So chudandi, see the question. Draw a inclined rectangular hyperbola. Inclined rectangular hyperbola when the asymptotes are inclined at 70 degrees. Inclined at 70 degrees. See, actually, rectangular hyperbola ku manaku two asymptotes are right angle to each other. It will be 90 degrees. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి inclined rectangular hyperbola ఏంటంటే when the two asymptotes are angle they given as 70 degrees. So somewhere they will give 60 degrees or 90 degrees like this. Not will give 90, it will give 70 degrees, 80 degrees, 60 degrees like this. Okay. So passing through the point P as a distance of 40 mm and 50 mm. So there is no need to draw a tangent and normal. Okay, tangent normal kadagaledu. No need to draw a tangent normal. Okay. So first మనం ఏం చేయాలి? First we have to draw a line parallel to the OA suppose. Parallel to the OA suppose. And now take a protractor. This point is assumed as a O and this point assumed as a A. Next, angle is given as 70 degrees. So now take a 70 degrees. Take a 70 degrees. Draw a line passing through the O point. So this is a OB line. This you can call as a OB line. So the OA and OB line makes an angle of 70 degrees. In inclined rectangular hyperbola, it should be makes an angle of 70. But in regular rectangular hyperbola, it should be compulsory as a 90 degrees angle. So now, in question they given that the point P is 40 mm and 50 mm from the two asymptotes. So I am taking 40 mm from the OA asymptotes. This is a 40 mm. Distance enta the 40 mm. So I am mentioning a dimensioning 40 mm. Next.
15.
Next. On OB line, it will be 50 mm distance. So now we will take a looser drafter and take a distance of 50 mm from this line. 50 mm from this line. 50 mm. Okay. So mention a dimensioning 50 mm. 50 mm. 50 mm. This is a 50 mm.
Eraser ray.
50 mm. This is a 50 mm distance.
Stationary.
This is a 50 mm distance. Okay. So we are drawing a two asymptotes OA and OB. Makes an angle of 70 degrees to each other. Next, locating the point P. You have to locate the point P at distance of 40 mm from the OA line and a distance of 50 mm from the OB line. Now draw a line, two lines parallel to the OA asymptotes and OB asymptotes. So I am drawing a line parallel to the OA asymptotes from this point. Okay, and again I am drawing a line parallel to these OB asymptotes. From this point. So assume this is a point as OAB. This is a C, D, and this is a E, F. Now similarly, previous one rectangular hyperbola ela chesamo idi kuda same. You can assume as a points randomly 1, 2, 3, 4 something. I am assuming as a 4 points 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6. Okay, 7. Now assume as a points randomly. Okay, now take a scale, join all these points from the passing through the origin. So from origin I am drawing a line, I am joining the line O to 1. Okay, similarly I am joining from O to 2, next O to 3, next O to 4, similarly O to 5, O to 6, next O to 7, O to 7. So whenever if you joining from O to 1, that line will be intersect on a CD line somewhere here. That assume as a 1 dash. Next if you joining from O to 2, it will be intersect somewhere here. You get that 2 dash. Next we get the same like that. We get the 3 dash and 4 dash. Similarly on this line also. So whenever joining from O to 5, it will be intersects on EF line. So that is a 5 dash. And this is a 6 dash, 7 dash. So this is a point as P. Okay na? This is a point P. In question they given that point P. The point P is 40 mm and 50 mm. So 40 mm and 50 mm. This is a point P. Now, take a drafter scale. First, take as a 1 dash point. Take 1 dash point. Draw a line parallel to the OA asymptotes. Next, similarly, take a drafter scale parallel to the OB line. So take a line parallel to the OB line. Draw a line parallel to the OA asymptotes. This is a parallel to the OB asymptotes. And this is a parallel to the OA asymptotes. So just we have to use the drafter scale and take a parallel to the OB line and tie the scale draw a line parallel to the OB line. So it will be intersect somewhere here. You get the point as
P1.
P1. Allotment P1. First, taking OA line parallel to the OA line, OA asymptotes, you have to draw a line from 1 dash. Next, from taking
OB.
parallel to the OB line, draw a line parallel to the OB line from 1. So it will be intersect, you get the point as a P1. Next, similarly, from 2 dash, draw a line parallel to the OA line. From 2 dash, draw a line parallel to the OA line. Okay, now, then after, lose the scale. Take a line parallel to the OB line. You can call as a asymptotes, OB asymptotes. Take a parallel to the OB asymptotes. From 2 point, draw a parallel to the OB line. So somewhere it will be intersects. That point you can assume as a P2. Now, similarly, from OA parallel to the OA line. From 3 dash, draw a line. Next, from OB parallel to the OB line. From 3 point, draw a line. Okay, so it will be intersect somewhere here. You get the point as P3. Like this, we have to repeat the next point also. From 4 point, first take a line parallel to the OA line. From 4 point, from 4 dash, draw a line. Next, take a scale parallel to the OB line. From 4 point, you have to draw a line parallel to the OB. So it will be intersect somewhere here. You get the point as P4. So now similarly, 5th point also. So take a line parallel to the OA line. From 5 point, you have to draw a line. From 5 point. Next, take a line parallel to the OB line. From 5 dash, draw a line. It will be intersect somewhere here. You get the point as P5. Next, from OA scale, take a line parallel to the OA line. OA asymptotes. Draw a line parallel to the 6 point. From 6 point, you have to draw a line parallel to the OA line. Next, from 6 dash, draw a line parallel to the OB line. Take a line parallel to the OB. From 6 dash, draw a line parallel to the OB line. So it will be intersect somewhere here with the point as P6. Now, from OB line, take a line parallel to the 7 dash. Draw a line. Okay, from OB line, take a line parallel to the 7 dash. Next, from OA line, take a line parallel to the 7. Parallel to the 7. So it will be intersect somewhere here with the point as P7. Next, draw a smooth curve passing through the all points. P7, like this. P5, P6, P7. Next, P1, P2, P3, P4, like this, so on. Okay, now by using H pencil, you have to draw a smooth curve passing through the all points. Then after, by taking HB pencil, draw a curve, smooth curve passing through the all points. P1, P2, P3, P4, like this. Next, continue this curve. P, P5, P6, P7, like this. So this is a inclined rectangular hyperbola. This is a rectangular hyperbola and this is an inclined rectangular hyperbola. See, in question they are not asking tangent normal. No need to draw a tangent normal for the inclined rectangular hyperbola. But rectangular hyperbola compulsory you have to draw the tangent normal. They will ask the tangent normal at something distance. Okay.